Did you know a pre-qualified buyer doesn't hold the same weight as a pre-approved buyer? And have you wondered, what's the difference between the two? That's what we're talking about today. Hey everyone, I'm Marvin, real estate broker with Night Owl Realty. Let's just get right to what the differences are. When you get pre-qualified, it's typically a verbal approval. A lender is going to ask you some general questions about your finances and your place of employment. How long have you worked there? What your income is? How much money do you make? They want to know, do you make enough money to support what it is that you're trying to purchase? They will also check your credit, and based off the information you provide the lender, they may be able to give you a pre-qualification form with an estimated dollar amount that you could use when you're trying to purchase a home. Keep in mind though, it's a verbal loan application, and this is all done sometimes with no actual documentation provided. A pre-qualification is good for estimating a loan approval, but is based solely on your credit and what you told the lender. When you get pre-approved for a loan, this is when the lender gonna get all up in your business. They're gonna get all up in your finances and validate and prove what you verbally told them. They're gonna verify your employment. They're gonna check your credit. They're gonna ask you for W-2s and 1099s and bank statements. They're gonna ask you for tax returns and paycheck stubs. And they're gonna wanna know what debts and assets that you have. They will send this information to an underwriter who will review all of this and give you a final loan approval. Having a pre-approval puts you in a better position when it comes to putting in offers because you've submitted all your necessary financial documents, and the lender can tell you the exact amount that you can get for a loan, as well as what your interest rate will be. Hey, in most markets, it doesn't matter if it's a seller's market or a buyer's market. Seller is more likely to accept an offer from a pre-approved buyer over a pre-qualified buyer because they know the pre-approved buyer's info has been validated already. And if you find out that you don't qualify for a loan right now, don't get discouraged. You can get there. I've seen plenty of buyers do it. And depending on your situation, sometimes you can get there even faster than you think. Plus, any good lender will be able to explain exactly what it is you need to do with your credit to accomplish your goal of buying a home. So don't give up. Follow the advice of the lender on what it is that you need to do to put yourself in a position to get approved. So the difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved is pretty straightforward. If you're thinking about buying a home in North Phoenix, or the surrounding areas, and you have questions, I have answers. I'm Marvin, real estate broker with Night Owl Realty, where we're up all night closing the deal.